Welcome back, lovely people. So today I'm sharing how to make some Jamaican festival. So I have some unbleached all-purpose flour, refined cornmeal, baking powder, vegan butter, brown sugar, salt, vanilla extract, water and grapeseed oil. The full list and measurements will be listed in the description, so make sure you check that out. So the first step is to dissolve the sugar into the water. You can also add the vanilla extract at this point, which I ended up adding later on. So after you have combined the butter into the flour, you should get a consistency like this, a breadcrumbs like consistency. So the next step is to gradually add the liquid to the flour and knead into a soft dough. And as you can tell right here, I went in and add the vanilla extract to the liquid. Depending on how you knead your dough will determine the texture of your festival. So you don't want to knead this too hard. You want to gently go in until you form a soft dough. So this is the consistency you want to achieve. So the next step is to cover your dough and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. I find that doing this, I get a better outcome of my fried dumplings or festivals. So after 30 minutes, it's time to form these festivals and fry them. To form the festivals, you want to take a small piece of the dough, and to make it easier, make a ball. With this same dough ball, you're going to glide it between both palms of your hands to elongate the dough, which you will see in the next couple of clips. So as you can see right here, I'm gliding the dough between both palms of my hands to elongate the dough. It's almost as if we're making a mega spinners. It's the same technique if you have seen me make spinners in a few of my previous videos. So here you have it, all my festivals are formed. So now it's time to fry these. So add some oil to your pot, and I'm going to shallow fry these. You can choose to deep fry these as well. After about 4 minutes, I went ahead and flipped my festivals on the other side to fry. So I'm going to remove the first set of festivals, and this is what you want to achieve. You see that? Nice and golden brown. This is the first batch. I'm going to do the same thing with the remaining and show you all the end result. And this is the end result. Let me tell you, these festivals were amazing. So good. I'm gonna break into one of them so you see the inside, and it's perfectly cooked. I made some curry veggie chunks to go along with these festivals. I will put a link for that recipe. And that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to try this recipe, and see you all again in my next video.